sticker for the 2019 Lamborghini Urus I just had the opportunity to drive. So let me show you a quick clip of that. The 2019 Lamborghini Urus, which is their amazing SUV, twin turbo V8 engine with 650 horsepower. It is so incredibly fast, yet it sounds like a Lamborghini. It's got a great exhaust note, which I will show you guys. And you can see that, you know, it's got a real low profile. It's got certainly a unique look to it. So as you can see, some of the cars are configured like this one, which has two individual sports seats back here. So you don't have a single bench seat. You can get a lounge seat or whatever you would call it, which means that you can have three people in the back, but this has the two individual sports seats. And you can see that these are, if you could smell this video, you'd be amazed at the incredible, wonderful leather smell that you have here. Has the true, as they say, the Lamborghini DNA. You can see you have some wood grain accents here. You have your big paddle shifters, and it's cool. That's how you put it into gear. You've got your little Italian flag there, and then your whole display is configurable based on what mode. So let me show you the back, the hatch area. You can hear that rumble. Hear that? And I love how this Urus has the a towing package there. I don't know what you would tow. A very fancy trailer. So you can see that you do have, you know, normal SUV kind of cargo space here. So this was that window sticker, and you might be watching this video in two places. You might be watching it as a standalone video, just talking about the window sticker itself, and I thank you for that. Or you might be watching this as part of my Lamborghini review, because then you can see all the things in the window sticker that I'm talking about. So if you're just watching this by itself, also please check out my full review and drive video of this Lamborghini Urus, and that way you can see all the different things that are referred to in this. Okay, so let me start over here with the standard features. The big thing being is the incredible 4-liter V8 90-degree bi-turbo engine with 4 valves per cylinder. Interesting, I've been calling it a twin turbo. It's a bi-turbo, which I think is slightly different technology. That gives you 650 horsepower. I'll say that again, 650 horsepower in this incredible SUV. You can see some of the other standard features there. Permanent 4-wheel drive with limited slip differential, automatic 8-speed gearbox. Interesting that carbon ceramic brakes are standard, and then you can see the other standard things. And then if we move to the other side here, so as you can see, we have the details for, again, this particular car. The exterior color is Grigio Lynx. I believe Grigio means gray in Italian. And inside is Nero Ade or Aid. Base vehicle price for the Urus, $200,000. Then you see the options. And again, I always think this is fun and fascinating to look through the options on these super ultra luxury supercars. And these options, to me, they're expected, because when you pay $200,000 for a car, you want the car to be customized just for you. So you want the seat belts a certain color, you want the wheels a certain color, you want the lighting a certain way. You're really, you know, $200,000 is the base price, but you're paying $264 or whatever the total price of this is, and you're paying that because you're getting, excuse the overused term, a bespoke vehicle. If you're paying that much and you're ordering all these options, it's because you like all these particular things. And if you can afford $265,000 for a car, you can afford to have everything exactly the way that you like it. So to me, these are not crazy prices. This is what it costs to have something custom made just for you. Anyhow, you'll see the options here. So the first one is Terra Asia seat belts, which is a specific color. The rims are those 22-inch diamond, I guess NAF is the brand, $47.98. 21-inch spare wheel is kind of a full-size spare tire. Not sure what the washing package is. Probably that's the washers on the headlights. Full ADAS package is $6,313. I believe that is a handling package. Cargo management, that means like nets in the back there. $631. Your brake calipers in black, as you saw, $1,137. Hands-free tailgate is one of those things you get on a minivan where you can wave your foot underneath and it will open the door automatically. Performance leather steering wheel, $1,262. And then Bang & Olufsen 3D advanced sound system, $6,313, as you can see. Style package for the body, I'm not sure what that is. Bicolor Elegante is the two-color interior. Off-road modes with, not sure what they're with. Full electric comfort seat, has all kinds of adjustments and things like that, as well as massage functions. The 4-seat configuration is what I showed you, where in the rear of the Urus you can get 2 sport seats instead of kind of a bench or lounge seat. So you can only fit 2 people back there, and there's a center console between them. Again, you can see all this stuff that I'm talking about if you watch my full review video of the Urus. Stitching option, I guess that's contrasting stitching on the seats. Optional stitching on something for $379. Leather piping on the floor mats, $631. Acoustic heat insulating. These are kind of self-explanatory. Ambient light package, again, gives you really cool lighting. You can change the colors. Panoramic roof is the enormous roof. Inserts in wood open. Not sure what the wood open is. Bright chrome exhaust, which you could see around back there. Night vision allows you to see things at night. And just moving down here. And the trailer hitch for North, and I believe that's North America, which to me is the one funny option, that you would pay this much for an SUV and then you would haul something around with it. But it is a usable SUV. You have a trailer hitch. So as you can see, there's a $3,995 Lamborghini destination charge, and that brings the total suggested retail price to $264,112. And then, of course, you would add sales tax onto that. The other thing you can see here is the highway MPG is 17 miles per gallon and city is 12, which is not that crazy. It just really depends on how you drive it. So that is it. Again, just wanted to give you a look at a supercar window sticker with this 2019 Lamborghini Urus.